Hello and welcome to Take It Simple. I'm your host, back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm about to teach you how you can change your AOL email filters. I will teach you how to edit them and add them. Open your AOL mail, go to the settings on the top right hand corner and then press on more settings. As you can see the section of filters, press on it and then you can add another filter. Go ahead and press on add new filters. Add a filter name. Let me name it scam. And then I will go to this section over here and then press on contains. Let's denote the words like re, lottery, won, congratulations, etc. These are other edits you can do and then you can keep it on trash. After you do so, a filter has been created. You can change it by simply pressing on it and then go to the contain section and then press on something like congratulations to add to. As you change the data in your filter, you should go ahead and press save. You can also change the folder which you want to send your filters into. After pressing on save, your filter has been changed. Hope the video was helpful for you. If you have any sorts of confusions, please do mention us in the comment section down below. Like our video, subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell button for more. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.